Hey guys, so I wanted to take you inside of Road to QA really quickly. When you sign up, this is actually going to be the landing page of your portal area where you'll actually get started with attending your new members calls, gaining access to all the program material, and learning how to actually access the Road to QA and navigate through. The core of your training is in these steps 1 through 6, and then through each step you also have an assessment. By the end of Road to QA, you should actually have achieved all of your assessment badges, and that way you know that you can actually apply to submit for the pre-internship. You'll go ahead and you'll start to actually apply and do your pre-internship, and then you'll submit to the internship. Once you actually submit to the internship, when it's actually your time, you'll actually join us for 10 days where this unlocks, and you get a full 10 days of working with us on a live project, taking you through a day in life as a QA tester. After you're done, you'll complete the module, and you'll also be able to update your resume and use it as a reference and speak to it also in an interview. While you're in the program, you also have access to also download the ebook of terms, and join our community, which I'll show you. Inside of the community, you are not alone. We actually have pre-homework. You get to introduce yourself, study groups, interview prep stuff, posts where people post their wins, new members call, and so much more. If you're ready, let's go. Now, also, I want to remind you, you are not alone. It's not just me. I want to introduce you to Vanessa. She's our program manager. She's been with us well over a year now. Antoine, Sade, and Sonia are all students of Road to QA that have graduated and all have QA roles. And Ryan also handles our support. Antoine does our weekly calls. I do the monthly ones, and I join in with him on some of the weekly ones. Sonia's in the community answering all of your questions. And Sade, you're going to meet her on your new members call. And Ryan, most of the time you'll meet him on the support desk. And then Vanessa also on the support desk and any program issues. Welcome to the team. So what comes to your Road to QA investment? Here you go. Over 40 hours of pre-recorded self-paced training, so you can go at your own pace. You can also join us inside of the community group, so you're not alone. You get access to weekly and monthly live mentorship and learning calls, access to a monthly group interview prep call, access to an optional 10-day internship experience is optional because we have over 45 people that actually land the roles without ever doing an internship. And then also access to special guest trainings that we put together, over 40 hours of replays from the last year, that we have access to a graduates chat upon graduation, meaning when you land your first role, so you won't feel alone. Also in November, we actually have a brand new study bot, a job portal, and monthly DIY resume hot seats coming. And then if you're paying full, only for $8.97, paying full come in November, we're actually going to start doing we have a cheat sheet guide to upskill yourself in different careers in QA, and also 30 minutes with me after the interview. All right, so remember, inside of Road to QA, this is how the program works. You start and you log into your members portal. You introduce yourself in the community. You start learning on your own, but you join the weekly and monthly mentorship calls where you can actually get live learning and bring your questions live, and also to the community. You complete all of your training and your assessments through step 1 through 6 with the 80% or above. Then you complete and you submit for your pre-internship. Our next internship experiences are January, April, and July. So then you'll submit for one of those, and then you'll complete the internship experience for 10 days. Once you do that, you'll get out of the internship. You'll reconstruct your resume using our DIY module, or hire a recommended specialist, being able to also speak to your experience and using your transferable skills. And then you'll enter the market to finish the program and get your phone to ring and try to get interviews. And I'm going to say get interviews, right? Get the phone to ring so you can land interviews and ultimately close your first job for $70 to $100K. That's when graduation happens. Let's go.